Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3, 2, 1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel will be beneficial when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's translation, as always, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment in the comment section. It could be an emoji, a love heart, just to bring me up on the YouTube spiritual realm. It's very, very necessary. So today's translation is, what did you say? Someone's just said something, you're like, excuse me, what? What did you say? And how you can say that is, wusi seng, wusi seng, wusi seng, or wusi dieng. I prefer this one. Wusi dieng. Wusi dieng. Wusi seng. Wusi seng. Or wusi dieng. Wusi dieng. What did you say? Wusi seng. Wusi seng. Wusi seng. Or wusi dieng. Wusi dieng. Wusi dieng. Finito? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys on my next one.